What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino with another one. Today is a repeat customer. I've actually cleaned this place about 3 other times, plus her business, plus her other home, and she's selling this. She has some renters in here, and so they did have a little bit of pet problems. I guess they had some cats, and one located the pet stains and took care of that. So this light really helps out to find that what you can't see with your naked eye. This will illuminate the spots in the carpet. Get one of these, it'll make you a lot of money. Okay, you go from a $40 room guy to $80 room guy in the room that the pet problems are in. Very important if you're getting into this business and you want to maximize your income in this business. Not by cheating people, not by doing bait and switches, not by anything, by being able to identify problems and address them. Because say you go in there and you address the carpet cleaning, but you didn't address the pet stains that you couldn't see, and all of a sudden the customer calls you back and says they smell urine. You go back with the light and you see, oh wow, I missed all that. So yeah, got some enzyme in here. For this job I used pea lime and 4 parts water, 1 part pea lime. Make sure when you mix this stuff up, you don't mix it with too hot of water, because you don't want to kill the enzyme. Any enzyme treatment, don't mix it with hot water. Not really cold, just lukewarm water's fine. All right, let's check out what we're doing. Got my little light on this thing today. I'm gonna see if that helps out. So this room notoriously was kind of tough other times. This was our office. We got some coffee spills. This room was like one of the best rooms. Closet. Now the stairs were really dirty most of the time. Dirty again. So this is the master. Good shape. As you can tell, I closed everything up so you can really see better with that light. The darker it is, the better you can see. Apparently they have lights that you can be broad daylight and you still be able to see it. Costs like $300, so the one I have is a UV Beast. You can get them on my below my videos and the tools I use. There's a link there that goes straight to Amazon. It's really, I don't know, $50 or something. So that $50 will make you lots of money. Probably coffee or something. Yeah, heavily soiled. We're gonna use carpet details and get it done. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. All right, so we pre-sprayed. Aaron's scrubbing right now. Nice deep scrub. So what I'm doing with this Namco is leaving the tray in for carpets, because it doesn't seem to affect the clean at all. It still cleans well, and plus it really cleans the machine really clean too. I mean, you literally just take a rag and clean it up. So it's really easily maintained machine right there. Scrub's awesome, as you can tell. To me, on carpets, it scrubs better than multi-wash. But little bells and whistles I want to do for talon grout, because with the tray in, I think it takes too much of the solution up, because I like to have the solution dwell on the grout longer. So I got to figure out a way. And if you take it out, it sprays too much out the back. So right now I'm just using this primarily for pre-scrubbing carpet. And then, of course, cleaning any hard surface, hardwood floors and all that stuff. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up some hoses. But yeah, it's really... Before you pre-scrub and you lay down your solution, let it sit for the recommended time before you pre-scrub with any solution. This is carpet detail, so it literally says you don't even need a dwell time. But I like to let it dwell at least 5-10 minutes. Alright, so there's some dark stuff in here, and I think there may be wine spills. So I'm going through here and just kind of spraying this with the... I got 40 volume in this right now. I'm going to treat these before we get to cleaning it. Hopefully this will help it if it is organic stuff here. Wine or white wine could be, so we'll see. As you can tell, I was using the crevice tool to go on the filtration lines on the stairs. They're pretty heavy there, so I did that. Remember this room? Turned out great. Yeah, carpets turned out good. A little concerned about that. See, had Aaron doing this part right here, then I continued, and it looks like we left a gap where he left off and I started. So really important to make sure you do your overlap halfway on the, or about a quarter way on the side, and up a little on the front, because if you don't pick up everything or rinse everything, you're going to have black spots when it dries. So I'm going to have to address that. Alright guys, this is a wrap. Off to the next one. We got 2 more smaller jobs to do, but they do have pet treatment, so smaller job, but the money that we made is decent. Alright, we'll see you on this one. Yeah, oh, by the way, those stains came out over there.